So in this Vista Create tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add text to a design here on Vista Create. So once you have Vista Create opened up on your device, it's fairly straightforward. Go to the top left here, or either go to the top left to where it says text and press on text to add some text to your design just like this. Or what else you can do is delete this, go to the far left hand side of your screen, go to this left bar, right in between background and styles, press on text, and it will do the exact same thing. So you can go ahead here to the top and press on add text. You can add a photo text if you want as well, add a specific text. So if you wanted to add this one, for example, of this headline, there you go. Pretty straightforward. Regardless of how you do it, this is how to add some text into your design here on Vista Create. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.